some cooking.
The Roving Chef program, the kids get excited and interested in not only seeing different foods, but trying new things.
Oh, so is it like hot?
Nope, it's not hot. It's sweet, right?
Oh, it's sweet, yeah. Juicy.
It's juicy. We typically keep this at 0 degrees, okay? So it's pretty cold right now. The reason why it brought me into cooking is a little bit more personal, more than anything. My mother had cancer, and she couldn't taste anything because of the chemo. She couldn't try anything. It tasted like metal. And I wanted to cook for her to, be able to have something at least palatable for her to eat, because she lost a lot of weight because she couldn't eat, and so that what kind of inspired me. And then when I felt the gratitude or the happiness that it made me to feed people, or just my mother, I said I wanted to pursue it. If you have that one child that likes vegetables, they'll get all other 10 to try it at least raw.
I came here not knowing a lot about cooking, and I came out liking a whole lot of stuff that I didn't know.
Good job. She's like a pro.
I hope that Chef Romero will come back again because I had a lot of fun.
Thank